the 219 car. Getting a little love on that downtown commute. Number 2 hitting it hard. Go, go, go. How about a little love for the John Deere Green? Just think about it, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want any one of these guys dating your daughter?
They're all married.
Right now, car number 2, our lovely young lady has exactly 1 cylinder that's running. I'm terrible on bicycles, but I think I can pedal faster than that one. Dusty Davis, Dashing Dave Byington, and the Gardner Lloyd folks, Lance Byington. And we can all smell that there is air quality control, emission control on these cars. Oh yeah! Go, 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 go! Hustle, 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 it's a horse race. Come on, Dusty. Yeah. Making a lovely sound as she pushes down on that pedal. She is definitely concentrating on driving. We got a little love tap right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the official winner for you in just